In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Google Chrome browser. By resetting your browser, you'll be able to fix any errors or any issues with your browser, such as your browser being too slow or your browser crashing or any misbehavior you might be experiencing with your browser. So the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and reset your browser, and by resetting your browser, you'll be able to fix all those bugs or errors, but at the same time, you'll still maintain your bookmarks and everything you had saved on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To reset your browser, go over to these ellipses and then click on these three dots here. From here, head over down to settings, and from settings, you'll get this sidebar. Now, down below here, you can see we have reset settings. Go ahead and click on it. Under this, we have this option, reset settings to their original defaults. Now, if you click on this, you're told that by performing this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will also disable extensions. It will delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. From here, proceed and click on reset settings, and this will go ahead and fix any error or issues related to your browser, while at the same time maintaining or keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved password on your Google Chrome browser. Now, once this action is done, now you'll have a fresh browser with all the bugs or errors and issues fixed. So that's how you can reset your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.